Hey everyone, it's Angela, and today we're making a crazy delicious, easy apple dessert. This is my apple dump cake that everyone loves. Okay, so first things first, a couple cans of our apple filling. I'm gonna kind of spread it, not too much, you don't need to worry about that yet. Then we're gonna add, I have a ton of dump cakes that I made, but there are a few things that I like to add to my dump cake. A teaspoon of vanilla mixed with a quarter teaspoon, just kind of spread it over your apple pie filling, of almond extract. You don't have to mix it in because we already buttered the baking dish, but you can just kind of pat it around while you're flattening out your apple pie filling layer. Now, if I was going to make this from scratch, I would totally do that with about 4 large apples. You can see my apple pie filling recipe on the site. Now, one of my other favorite additions is apple cider mix, or I've found like a ton of different flavors of this McCormick brand, and it is really fun too. About a tablespoon. That's a little shy on the tablespoon. And just go ahead and spread it. Let it sprinkle all over your base layer of the apple pie filling. Before we add the final bits here. And that really smells delicious. The last bit you need, and hopefully you can find the 15.25 ounce, they keep changing our cake size amounts, is yellow cake mix. There's a bunch of different flavors you can use. This is my favorite. Of course, the basic white cake mix works too. Sometimes you can find the spiced mixes, and those are just as good. Then you're going to take your cake mix and just go ahead and sprinkle it on over the pie filling, thus the dump cake name. Okay. You can shake it or move it with a fork. Just spread it into an even layer. Just kind of push it on out to the edges. Yeah. Now, while you're doing all this, because it comes together so quickly, make sure that your oven is preheating to 375 degrees and that you have the middle rack of your oven, well, set to the middle. Once you've got that, go ahead and dump the butter. Melted butter is great. You can do the little pats of butter too if you like, because with the apple dump cake, it doesn't always, you might end up with dry patches. I know if you've ever baked a dump cake, you ran into that. But we're going to cover this. My pro tip here is we're going to cover this with aluminum foil. We're going to bake it for 30 minutes that way and then 15 minutes uncovered so that it turns out wonderfully. When you cover it, make sure that your aluminum foil isn't touching any of the topping of the cake mix. We don't want to stick. Other than that, you can just kind of tent it over and pop it in the oven as is. That's nice and hot. Let it cool down before serving. You can serve it warm with ice cream, which we might do, or let it completely set up so you get a little bit better portions out. And now that that's baked, we're just going to break it away from the edges here a little bit because I want all of that crusty goodness. I'm going to serve up a nice generous portion here. Look at that. Yum, yum, yum. Top it here. Oh, fantastic dessert. Now you have a super easy last minute dessert you can whip up for any occasion. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.